Hello and welcome back. This is Amin. Again in this video I'm going to share you how to create Google ad account step by step. This is a complete beginner playlist for who interested to learn about Google ad. So if you are beginner, then at first you need Google ad account. So before creating ad account you must have a solid payment gateway. Google accept credit card and some cases they accept also debit card, but I always prefer credit card. So creating Google ad account, you have to go ads.google.com. Just click this one and go. It will be redirected new URL. Here we can see two options: sign in and start now. If you already have an account, then you should click sign in, but you don't have any account, just click start now. Okay, so I'm going to click start now, and after clicking start now, here you can see create your first campaign. So very simple. Then you have to create. Here you can see create your first campaign. Just select this one. After selecting, here you can see your business name. Just put your business name. You have to put your website URL, then just click next option. Here you will get option link your account. If you have a YouTube, then you can link your account. Just click next option, next, and link. Okay, so YouTube is linked successfully. Then go select the next option. Here you can see lots of goal. Just skip. Here you can see, just go to the back option, and here you can see not ready for campaign, set up account only. Just click one. Here you can see you have to input your billing details. My country is Bangladesh. If your country is United States, then you select United States and select your time zone and currency. Then I will select continue option and confirm your payment account and payment settings. So you have, if you have offer code, then you can apply, but at this moment I have no offer code. So just I select no and submit. Then we are going to create. So we have to give this information. Just right here create. Okay, after creating, here you can see add payment method. You shall see $10 authorization on your card. That means your card have $10. So you have to add your payment method, then add debit card or credit card, then you have to card number, then you have to security code and save card. After save card, you have to submit option. Here you can see submit. After submitting, if your payment gateway accept, then your ad account will be created. So hopefully you can add your payment gateway, that means credit card, debit card. It is super easy. So hopefully you understand how to create a Google ad account step by step. So you have to input your business information, you have to input your others information, then you should have must your credit card information. The anywhere on the other hand, you cannot create any Google ad account. So thank you so much. Hopefully you understand this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, and if you need any help, let me contact on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Hello. This is Amin, top rated Google ad specialist. You can watch. I have a case study where I have generated 3 million sales in Google ad. Besides, I'm also top rated Google ad specialist on Upwork and also Fiverr. So if you want to work with me, please text me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.